Are you ready for the biggest upgrade Apple has ever made to its smartwatch lineup? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is already making waves, and for good reason. With a stronger titanium body, next-level battery life that could last for days, AI-powered health insights, and even rumored satellite connectivity, this isn't just another refresh, it's a game-changer. Whether you're an athlete, an adventurer, or someone who just loves cutting-edge tech, the Ultra 3 might be the upgrade you simply can't ignore. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Apple's most powerful smartwatch yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is already being talked about as the most exciting upgrade in Apple's wearable history, and for good reason. When Apple first introduced the Ultra line, it wasn't just another smartwatch. It was a statement piece designed for explorers, adventurers, athletes, and anyone who demanded more than what a regular smartwatch could provide. The first-generation Apple Watch Ultra shocked the market with its massive titanium body, extended battery life, and rugged build, while the Ultra 2 refined that foundation with a brighter display, better performance, and small but meaningful changes. Now, in 2025, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be the upgrade that no one can afford to ignore. It's not just about being tougher, brighter, or faster. It's about redefining what a smartwatch can do for people who live at the edge of their limits. Apple has always been the master of building ecosystems where every product works seamlessly with the others, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to push that integration even further. While competitors like Garmin, Samsung, and Polar continue to release strong sports watches with massive battery lives and advanced metrics, none of them can replicate Apple's ability to merge health, fitness, safety, and lifestyle features in one complete package. This new Ultra is expected to bring game-changing improvements not only in hardware but also in software, thanks to watchOS 12, new AI-powered features, and potentially even satellite communication. For those who follow Apple closely, this isn't just a yearly refresh. It's the most important leap forward since the original Ultra. One of the biggest conversations surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is its rumored battery technology. While the Ultra 2 already provided better longevity than the standard series models, hardcore adventurers and marathon athletes still wanted more. Early leaks suggest Apple is working on a new stacked battery design that could increase power density without making the watch bulkier. This could mean the Ultra 3 might finally reach that dream 72-hour mark of regular use, or even longer in low-power expedition mode. Imagine being able to go on a 3-day hiking trip, navigate with built-in GPS, track your vitals, and still not have to think about finding a charger. That's the kind of upgrade that makes this device impossible to ignore. But it's not just about endurance, it's also about intelligence. Apple has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence across its devices, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will be no exception. Reports suggest the new watch may bring advanced AI-driven health insights, giving users more than just raw data. Instead of telling you your heart rate, sleep stages, or oxygen levels, it could analyze long-term trends, detect unusual changes, and even predict potential health risks before they become serious. The Ultra has always been a tool for serious athletes, but with these features, it also becomes a personal health guardian, something that could save lives. Another key upgrade that makes the Apple Watch Ultra 3 unmissable is its rumored integration of satellite connectivity. The first-generation Ultra already featured emergency SOS capabilities, but imagine being able to send short text messages or share your live location